I'm Greg Diack from Racewell in Western Southland. We've got 400 acres here on rolling country with 1,800 Romany ewes and lambing at about 140 odd %. We're fattening all our lambs and have been farming here on my own for 25 years. Two of Te Pari's people came here for an afternoon and had put a few sheep in, and we had a set up, but I couldn't believe how quiet the machine was. You know, there were no rattles and bangs, and which is a big help for making the sheep run. They were good enough to come down for an afternoon and show us the ins and outs of how it worked and all the thing. And there's been a couple of updates on the computer and things here in the last year or two. They're updating that all the time, and this latest one has made things just a wee bit quicker in the gates, you know. And I'm not particularly computer literate as such, but I've had no trouble with the ins and outs of the controls, and if there has been a hiccup, they're only a phone call away. El Manzo and the crew there have all been pretty quick to help us out. In the summer months, it's probably every fortnight or so we're weighing off lambs here. 1,400 odd ewes go through the thing here to dirty clean them in about an hour and a half. They run through like wildfire, to be honest, and with the remote control we can take out the dirty ones in no time. It's been very good for that, and also for sexing the lambs, taking out the ewe lambs that we're going to be keeping and whatnot. It's very good for that. I can do it all from the back of the race, sort of thing, you know. On my own, I would be doing 300 an hour, I think, quite comfortably. If somebody else was here, I think you would probably double that, in all fairness, so someone would have them kept up, and there'd be someone here all the time, wouldn't there, to keep them flowing, you know. It's all about the flow, you know, and had no great rattles or shadows or any bruising or anything. I can't blame the machine for any broken legs or anything. For actually the weighing off, it's brilliant, to be honest, and the magic eyes and how it all worked compared to the old stuff, it's been a good machine. But it's certainly saved a lot of time. All the numbers are all here on the screen to read when you're finished. Whereas the old one, you were still counting them out by hand and didn't have an average weight or anything. So that's all here in front of you now, and just by the push of a button, you know, which is we never had before. I would certainly suggest someone has a look at them and give them a go, because they've been reliable and a very easy to work machine. Because of having this machine, it's been a big saving for the time and effort on the farm here with the drafting, and sort of helped a big lot towards having everything in line for the contract and up to standards, and overall it's been a big saving all round for the whole operation. Really, it's saved a lot of time for me for being on my own for drafting off and weighing, yeah, and made it far easier than ever it was. Yeah. Thankful for Te Pari for having them available for everybody. It's been good, yeah, it really has. Yeah.